Welcome back to another video. So we're going to get my nails done today. I've been dying to use these. These are the little Saviland builder gels that I got from Nails by Cami and Nails with Gigi. This was a set of 12. I've already done my right hand only because I have to use my shitty hand to do my right hand, and I didn't want to use my shitty hand with nails on. Would have made it very difficult. So I've already done my right hand. So these are the tips. These are full cover coffin tips, medium length, that I got from AliExpress. And I'm just buffing my nails, buffing off the shiny surface. I've already prepped my nails. They are good to go. So I'm just buffing off that shiny surface, giving them a good clean with a brush and some alcohol. Then I'm going to put on some dehydrator and some primer. What I'm doing, I'm using the full cover tips. I did this in another video, but I used hard gel. And I'm using the full cover tips a little bit like dual forms. I'm going to be popping them off. But I'm using builder gel this time. It's very, very soft. And I found it a lot harder. But I managed to get a set of nails out of them that weren't half bad. Right, sticking with Saviland, I'm using Saviland base coat. I'm going to give my nails just a nice thin, even layer of this base coat, and that's going to get cured in a lamp for 30 seconds. Right, so I'm starting with the pink. I only wanted a short set, that's why I'm using the medium length tips. These are the shortest ones I've got, and I still didn't even want them that long. So you'll see, I don't quite fill the tip up. I did want a short set. So all I'm doing is, I'm putting my product in this tip, like you would do with a dual form. If you was doing the laser girl method and you was leaving these tips on, you would cure them onto your nail just with a really thin layer of gel. But because I'm going to be popping these tips off, obviously I'm going to need some strength and some structure. So just think about how much product you would need to build a nail. Yeah, so I try and keep it quite thin at the cuticle area and thinnish at the free edge towards the tip, and I keep most of the bulk of the product around what's going to be the middle of your nail. You know, the area that would snap. You want a nice bit of the product in the middle. I'm so rubbish at explaining what I'm doing, but you can see what I'm doing. Keeping it thin at the cuticle, and I'm making sure there I get the product right up the side walls as well. Right, once I've faffed about for an hour and I'm happy with where all the gel is, I'm just going to press it onto my nail. Make sure there's no air bubbles. Make sure it's straight. You have to be quite quick because that builder gel underneath will start to try and level out and drip. So as soon as you're happy with it, stick it straight in the lamp. Now, I only stuck these in the lamp for about 20 seconds because I really struggled to get the tips off last time. And someone said just undercure it and pop the tips off whilst it's still wet. I still struggle to get these tips off because I didn't think these tips are gel tips. They're not plastic. So I think if I would have gave that a full cure, I wouldn't have got it off. So yeah, half curing it helped. But last time I did this, I used plastic tips and they popped off quite easy. But my tiny brain just didn't think that these are gel. Gel sticks to gel. But yeah, luckily I undercured them and managed to get them off. So maybe if you are doing this pop-off method, use plastic tips rather than gel. Or do what I've done and just undercure it and get them off whilst they are still warm and quite soft underneath. But then obviously make sure you put them back in the lamp for a full cure afterwards. So I'll show you this one more, and then the next nail's going to be clear. I'll show you that one as well, and I'll do the rest off camera. See, this one, I struggled quite a bit to get this one off, and I only cured it for about 20 seconds as well. So I had to use a tool just to prise it off. But I think that's because these tips are gel. They just wanted to cling on to that builder gel for dear life. But look, I got it off. And it's so easy. So easy, and it does all the shaping for you. You just end up with a little lip at the cuticle area that you end up having to file off, but that's fine. Right, I'm using the transparent. What I do with this clear, I'm going to do exactly the same as I've just done with the other nails, but I'm doing a really thin layer of this one because I'm going to be putting glitter on top of this and encapsulating the glitter with the builder gel afterwards. So obviously I didn't want it to be too bulky, so I just did a really thin layer with this one. And again, I undercured this. This clear nail popped off so easy. Look, you'll see once it comes out the lamp. It popped off really easy. It was a lot softer though. I could feel it was a lot softer than the other nails. So obviously that goes back in the lamp now for a full cure. And I'll get them other two done off camera. And I thought, shit, I've done that a bit too short. But it was just long enough to be the same as the other one. Right, that's them all done. I'm trying to hide my index finger there on the slide because it was ugly. On my thumb I had to use a dual foam because I can't find any of these full cover tips that fit my thumb, so I used a dual foam on my thumb. Right, so that's them all filed and all buffed. Nice short little stumpy nails. So this is the glitter I'm using. It's called Spogs. This is from the Sweet collection, Sparkle Supplies. I love these glitters. Look at that. Perfect match. So I'm going to give my nail a quick base coat, and I'm going to put the glitter into this wet base coat and cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. Right, that's my glitter all cured in the lamp, so it should stay put. So this is the reason I only did a thin layer of the clear earlier, because I'm going to encapsulate that glitter now and build a little bit of an apex, just thicken up that nail a bit, and then that'll get cured in the lamp for 60 seconds as well. Right guys, that is my nails all done. So I'm using Saviland top coat. These bottles are so dinky. So dinky. So I'm going to get these nails top coated now and that'll be then finished. I really, really liked how these turned out. Really cute, short. I'm quite enjoying short nails recently. You don't always have to have long, fancy pants nails. Little cute short set like this. Yeah, I like them. Look at that glitter, guys. It's such a nice collection. I think there might be 12 in that collection. I can't remember the sweet collection from Sparkle Supplies. It's one of the nicest collections of glitter I've ever seen. It is beautiful. So I'll let you watch me finish this top coat and then we'll get them cured in a lamp and that'll be then finished. I've just put some cuticle oil on there because your cuticles will end up so dry and dehydrated. So yeah, always put some cuticle oil on. Rehydrate them. But that's them finished, guys. I really, really like them. They've got a really cute little shape. They're not too thick. They're not too bulky. I really, really like them. I do. Love that glitter. That's me trying to get a thumbnail look. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell as well so you never miss an upload. And hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. Take care. Bye.
The truth will break your chains, we have the key.